listen to the crunch. In today's recipe, we are making some toasted bread, but without a toaster. And I previously showed you how to toast some bread using an aluminum pan. So today we're going to be using an oven. These are the list of ingredients that I have for today's recipe. And the basics are just bread and butter. But I'm also going to go in with some sesame seeds and some dried oregano, and these are just going to help in adding some flavor. Hizi ni sesame za chumvi and oregano pia inakuwa na hakoka chumvi, so I'm pretty sure you're going to love it, but you're going to try out this recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll start off by spreading my butter onto my bread, and I'm going to do it on one side, and I'm going to spread it in on all the 6 slices. So today I wanted to prepare something, but then I just realized that gas ilisha jana usiku, so there's nothing much I can do, and I'm pretty hungry at this point. So I'm just going to make some bread, and I was also planning on having some iced coffee, but then I realized I do not have some coffee in the house, and this is so unlike me, because at some point I was addicted to coffee, and I always had coffee in the house, and I always took coffee like 2 or 3 times in a day. But late last year was great, so I decided to reduce on the amount of coffee that I was taking, and that's why accidentally nimejipata sina any coffee in the house. So stick around, because that recipe is coming up very soon, and you're also going to love it. I'm just going to arrange this roughly here, then I show you how I like it being done. And so that I can cover the most, I like adding my seeds here as it was hivo. Then I do like this. So this will ensure that it gets the most coverage. So I'll do 3, and in the meantime my oven is preheating at 180 degrees. Then for the oregano, I'm also going to do the same, but hii nitaweka tu kiasi kiasi, not as much as the sesame seeds. So for this particular recipe, if at all you do not like oregano, for the reasons which I do not know, because hii kitu inakuanga tamu, and by the way we are also going to use it today in our tonight's recipe, and I'll be preparing some egg curry. If at all you also do not have oregano, just go get it, because inakuanga fiti. And I'm going to bake this in an oven that I'll be preheating at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes thereabout, because ukizidisha hapo they're just going to burn, and that's not what you want. Imagine that is it, and it was that easy. And you can see the bottom part, it has some nice pattern because of this wire rack. You can just have this as a snack as it is, or you can also accompany it with some milk, coffee, any beverage that you prefer or like. Let's listen to the crunch. So that's it for today's episode. I'll just go and enjoy this off camera, and I hope you're also going to try this recipe. This is such a great breakfast idea, and I'm pretty sure kama watoto wako wakulangi mkate, hii lazima watakula. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.